Imagine waking up one day to find out that what you do for a living has been taken over by a program that is faster, smarter, and more accurate than you. It's a concern everyone has for the last few years, and it is just growing bigger with AI, especially with Gen AI. But there is a twist in this one. AI isn't here to take your job, it's here to change it. You see, in every historical shift, from the Industrial Revolution to the digital age, adaptability has been the key to survival. Today with AI, it's no different. The World Economic Forum predicts that by 2025, automation will displace 85 million jobs, but it will generate 97 million new ones. Let's talk with some examples. Accountants are automating data entry and data analysis, but they are shifting to advisory roles, using AI to provide deeper insights into financial strategy. And in healthcare, AI is diagnosing diseases from scans with superhuman speed and accuracy, yet doctors are leveraging this to spend more time on patient care. So, how do you ensure that you are part of this growth? It boils down to three little actions: upskill, reskill, and embrace. Upskill by staying on top of AI trends in your field. Take Google's free course AI for Everyone, or familiarize yourself with AI tools that are relevant to your industry. Reskill by branching into AI fluent roles. Data science, AI ethics, and machine learning engineering are just some exploding fields. And lastly, embrace. Use AI to do the heavy lifting for you. Tools like Kobe AI, ChatGPT for writing, or Zapier for automating tasks free you up to focus on creative and strategic work that AI cannot replicate. AI might replace your current job, yes, but it will not make you obsolete if you follow these three little actions. By transforming your skill set, mindset, and adapting to new technology, you can make AI work for you and not against you. There is a famous quote that says, "Future is not written by those who have accepted their fate. It is shaped by those who are willing to write it." For more on how to navigate an AI future for self-improvement, stay tuned and subscribe for the latest insights and do not miss our upcoming videos.